G'day and welcome back to the shed. The following video was taken from our Thursday night live streams, which we do every week here on the channel. The video shows me parting off a piece of steel in the lathe for the steamroller restoration. I'm currently participating in the Insta360 affiliate program, and if you purchase a product from the Insta360 store, I will get a small commission on the purchase. Link in the description below. And as a side note, I also use Insta360 cameras for the live streams and recording here in the shed. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.
So as mentioned before, this is a grooving tool, but it makes an excellent parting tool, which I did make a video about. Right. It doesn't want to play the game. Why don't you want to play the game? Everything looks right. How about I turn that around? Righto. So I'm just going to have a look at the insert. These are a changeable insert on these. Certainly in there nice and secure, that's for sure, but it does come out just like that. Okay. Well, that ends, unless it's sitting up a bit too high. Tell you what, I'll pop that back in. Everything looks good. I did turn this one around. I might even just drop the center height down a bit. And let's check the center height. Right, one way to check the center height of your tool. So your tool can be too high, it can be too low. It needs to be nice in the center. So I've just got that on center, and it is showing it's a little bit high, so I'll drop that down. So I'm just using my eye to get, I'm putting a little bit of light pressure on there. And that's pretty vertical. I might just go down a little bit more. So what will happen is the ruler will either be that way. If it's that way, it's too high. If it's back this way, it's too low. So at the moment, we want it to be vertical. There's an adjusting nut on the tool. It's looking even better. Let's give that a try. Just see if this is going to cut. Ah, much better. So I'm just winding in by hand. I could actually go a lot faster in terms of revolutions. We're only doing about 300 RPM here. I'll just back off, turn the coolant off. We've still got a bit to go, not that much at all. I'll get down till there's about maybe 3 or 4 millimeters, about an eighth of an inch or so to cut off. And then I'll stop and I'll just wobble it backwards and forwards and just break it off. That's about right. So I'll back the tailstock out of the way. Remove that. We're most of the way through, and now you can see how easy I can just a few turns, and there we are, we've broken it off. So what I'll do now is I'll just put a different tool in. I'll take that little, I'll just face this off. I won't leave it like that. And I'll chamfer the edge. So I'm just doing this by eye. I'm moving the two handles at the same time to just put a nice little chamfer on there, and that's very nice. There's no sharp edges. It's always good to take the sharp edges off. This is a fairly long bit of steel, so I'll just take it out through the back. There we have it there. That was our original piece, so we'll put that over in the corner. And our other piece here, put it back in the chuck. I'll do the same again. I'll face this and just put a little chamfer on there. Once again, we've just faced the end off. I could put the chamfering tool on, but doing it this way helps with the hand-eye coordination. So nice little radius on there.
Well, there you have it. Nice little quick job done on the lathe. Another part for the steamroller done. And in time we'll put that in its place and keep working on the rest. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you stopping by and watching, and we'll see you in the next one.